Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And I thought I'd do another What's in My Bag video. Part of my ongoing What's in My Bag series. You might have seen this bag before. It's one I just made. And if you've seen it, yeah, you can see that. You can see the handles are not quite centered. So it is functional. So just a quick note about this bag. The bottom is a thermal stitch. And then I went around the bag with 2 single crochets in a stitch. You skip a stitch, 2 single crochets. And put handles on it. So yeah, and we didn't line the handles up right. So without further ado, what is in this bag? Well, first, I threw this in here, just a Ziploc bag. It's got scrap yarn in it. And I think every yarn in this scrap bag came from Temu. So, yeah, it's probably for a scrap yarn project. And then I just threw that in there. When I made this bag, I was thinking, fit perfectly in there. If you travel a lot or travel occasionally, you might have seen these travel bags that you can put inside your suitcase to help organize better, so the organizing. So this fits pretty well in this bag. So we can practically use this as an if you have like a one night overnight, we just need a change of clothes and stuff, you can probably use one of these and to stick it in that bag. But so anyway, I wanted to fill it out so it would fit in the bag. I'll probably not put this back in the bag. I'll probably put the stuff that's in it back in the bag, because pretty much almost I got a whole bunch of bags made up. I almost use them as storage. That's pretty. Well, just store stuff in my bags I make. So first thing I had in that was this. I think I have a tutorial on this. I should. It is this, I get this really long shawl. And what it is it's like the Solomon knot or the love knot and double crochets. So you do a Solomon knot and a double crochet. I like that. This is pretty cool. I think I made this a little long. It's kind of a long shawl. Like pretty long. But yeah, that's all this is Solomon knot or love knot and double crochets. Plane going overhead. I can hear the plane. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in the bag. Alright. I don't know if you can hear the plane or not, but it's pretty loud. We're not too far from an airport, but not that close either. Anyway, I digress. This, I got it tied right now. No, I have a tutorial on this one. This is the head, like a headscarf. Like a kerchief or a headscarf. Or I guess you can make it a cowl. Yeah. You know what? I think you can probably make this bigger and it can be a shawl. Maybe. Okay. Well, the remaining in here are, I think I threw a bunch of the knitting machine scarves in there. So I have this one, which was made from Temu yarn. Nice bright colors. There's another one like it. A knitting machine. That one. Oh wait, this one was, I remember getting it from clearance from Hobby Lobby. I think this is one of my favorite scarves. off the knitting machine. Love the colors, and I love how it sparkles. So I'll put that. Finally, I should have divided this into multiple scarves, but I just recently got the knitting machine, and I threw on a cake. I think it's Shep's yarn, Shep cheese, and yeah, this is the one that keeps going and going and going, really going. I probably could have split this up and made 3 or 4, several scarves, and like yeah, this is. Brown, yeah, this, like I said, I was new to the knitting machine. I just like, hey, what a way to use up this cake, and I'm like, yeah, this is crazy long. You would have to triple. I suppose if you triple or double it, or yeah, it's like. Yeah, that was crazy long. I don't know what I was thinking with this. Anyway, this was the last item. Pretty much, I took everything out of that container, just threw it all in here. While we throw the scrap yarn with the bag in it. Yeah, this would probably be pretty good. Using it with this thing, it would probably be good, next time I have an overnight trip somewhere. Probably take one of these totes. I have multiple totes actually, and pack it in one of these and be useful. So there you go. That is enough. That ends what's in my bag for this video. So let me know in the comments if you like this series or not, or if you want to maybe see more bags that I use on a day-to-day basis, like my purse or other project bags. But yeah, but a lot of my other bags have stuff in them like this. So if you by chance did like this video, please give it a like. See more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.